Are you facing slowness issue with your PC or the laptop? These simple tricks will change the performance of your PC ever before. So watch the video till the end. Today, I'll show you 5 amazing settings tricks in Windows 10 and 11 to make your PC or laptop faster than ever before. Hi everyone. Welcome back to WebServe Global, where we bring you easy and creative tips to level up your professional and personal skills. So let's dive in. Number 1. Notifications. We often receive annoying notifications that can be quite irritating. To disable them, 1. Open the settings page. 2. Select System and click on Notifications. 3. Here, you'll see a list of options. Turn off notifications for apps you don't need updates from. This simple adjustment helps improve focus and speeds up your system. Number 2. Storage Sense. Storage Sense is an essential feature for every Windows user. It automatically monitors and deletes unwanted or temporary files that are no longer in use, helping to free up space and improve system performance. Here's how you can enable it. 1. Open the settings page. 2. Select System and find the storage option. 3. Check if Storage Sense is already enabled. If not, toggle it on. This feature ensures your PC stays clean and optimized effortlessly. Number 3. Visual Effects. This feature allows you to control visual effects, significantly enhancing your PC or laptop's performance by prioritizing functionality over appearance. Here's how to optimize it. 1. Click on the Start menu and search for Advanced. Select View Advanced System Settings. 2. In the System Properties window, click on Settings. 3. Choose Adjust for best performance for maximum speed. 4. To retain some visual clarity, check the boxes for Show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Then click Apply, then OK. This tweak helps balance performance and usability. Number 4. Game Mode. Game Mode is essential for users who play games on their PC or laptop. If you're a gamer, you should keep it enabled for better performance. However, if you don't play games, it's best to disable it. Here's how you can enable or disable Game Mode. 1. Open the settings page. 2. Select Gaming. 3. Click on Game Mode to toggle it on or off. This simple tweak helps optimize your system based on your usage. Number 5. Startup Apps. Last but definitely not least, managing startup apps is crucial for improving your PC's performance. When you start your PC, some preloaded or installed applications run automatically. Many of these apps are unnecessary and slow down the startup process by consuming system resources. Here's how to disable these apps and speed up your PC's boot time. 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape together to open the Task Manager. 2. Select Startup Apps from the left side panel. 3. Right-click on each app you don't need to run automatically and select Disable. By disabling unnecessary startup applications, you free up resources and make your PC boot or reboot much faster. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If found it useful, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe us for more videos. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.